CTRs and Suspicious Transaction Reports or STRs for the period 2006 to 2025. Annex B, Financial Intelligence Reports on Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio and Annex C, Investigation Reports on A. Manasseh Carpio and B. Sara Duterte Carpio and Manasseh Carpio. We also provide the following summary. For Sara Duterte Carpio, number of CTRs 313, number of STR 17, total amount involved 3,772,760,972 pesos and 48 centavos. Total amount of inflow 1,832,539,360 pesos and 45 centavos. Total amount of outflow 1,211,365,529 pesos and 75 centavos. For Manasseh Carpio, number of CTRs 317, number of STRs 16, total amount involved 2,998,466,740 and 47 centavos. Total amount of inflow 2,592,904 2,592,904,434 pesos and 24 centavos. Total amount of outflow 343,315,781 pesos and 7 centavos. Total for both 630, number of CTRs 630, number of STRs 33, total amount involved 6,721,227,712.95 and 95 centavos. Total amount of inflow 4,425,443,794 and 69 centavos. Total amount of outflow 1,554,681,310 and 82 centavos. There are undetermined inflow or outflow transactions based on our system, but we see transaction movement, so we categorize it as undetermined. So that is 791,102,607 and 44 centavos.
Just for the record, ED, are the figures accurate? Yes or no?
As of we submitted today, yes.
Are they accurate?
Based on our records, yes.
You're saying yes.
Based on the records,
That's
yes.
for the record.
Madam Chair, wala po yan sa salin ah.
Honorable Sua, do you want to be recognized?
Sinasabi ko lang po, eh di wow.
Madam Chair, Madam Chair, if I may be allowed to proceed.
Wait. The floor is with the Honorable Ridon.
Thank you for reading for the record the cover letter.
You will be called Vice Chair Dumogan after the Honorable Ridon.
It's not a question. May we be furnished copies of
Yes.
that report submitted for our guidance?
May we direct the COMSEC to please provide copy
Yes.
of the cover letter, at least para mabilis, no? Because the attachments are really voluminous. Kindly provide Justice members copy of the cover letter.
Madam Chair, Madam
Is
regarding
this a point of order?
regarding the
Because the floor
copies
is with the Honorable Tino.
Just with regard to the request for copies,
Yes.
kasi actually kanina pa kahit yung mga SALN, bibigyan daw kami pero hindi rin naman nabigyan pa.
I think the photocopier is in the
Oh.
other building.
Yes, baka pwede po yung e-copy na muna kung meron.
Email.
Baka mas mabilis.
Okay.
Opo.
COMSEC,
Para may reference kami.
kindly send soft copy to the corresponding email accounts of the Justice members of the available documents already. Honorable Ridon, you may proceed.
Okay, ngayon naman po pag-usapan po natin yung mga detalye. Nito po nga mga transactions po na ito. I have a document with me which is titled confidential information sharing, subject, Vice President Sara Duterte and Manasseh R. Carpio. Do you have the same copy, Executive
Yes, Madam
Director
Chair.
Benaventura?
Yeah.
Can we flash the document on the screen, please, Secretariat? So we would want to direct the Executive Director not to read the entirety of it because it is a bit voluminous, but we would want him to read particular portions of it. I refer you to page 2 of the document, Summary of Transactions. Can you read from that point until
Can
number
we
s-
flash the document referred to by the Honorable Ridon? COMSEC, please be directed as well to provide a copy of the summary of transactions to the Justice members.
Can we suspend so that we can flash the document for the benefit of everyone, Madam Chair?
COMSEC, please flash the document summary of transactions.
Oh. Ano to? Parang initial.
Madam Chair, can we suspend until we can flash the document to the screen, please?
Hearing is temporarily suspended. Wala ba kayo? Ba't ang tagal? Resume. While we are waiting for the document subject matter of the clarificatory questions of the Honorable Ridon, with the indulgence of the Honorable Ridon, we recognize first the Honorable DS Janet Garin.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Maraming salamat rin po, Congressman Terry Ridon, for the quick interjection. While we are waiting for the documents, Madam Chair, may I propound some clarificatory questions to the AMLC representative. Kanina po nasabi niya, covered transaction reports and suspicious transaction reports. Pag sinabi po pang covered, nasabi niyong may basihan. Tama po ba o mali?
Tama po. Ito po yung lahat ng transaction kapag nireport ng bangko, kailangan lagpas 500,000 pesos.
At pag sinabing covered, Madam Chair, ang ibig po ba sabihin nun ay tiningnan nyo pero merong basihan or justifiable na legal ang transaksyon na ito? Tama po ba o hindi? Covered transaction reports.
Sa report lang po ng bangko sa amin, hindi pa po namin madedetermine at that point.
Okay. When we say suspicious transaction reports, ano po ba, Madam Chair, ang pagkakaiba ng covered transaction reports vis-a-vis suspicious transaction